So this place is crazy. There's just probably a couple thousand people showed up, and already seen Cleetus a couple times. He's out here with his family. Saw some other people here. Derek from Vice Grip Garage is out here. I just saw him with his family go down. We'll see them hopefully later. We'll go and see that. There's all kinds of people here. You'll recognize some. Some are just people who are just here, like myself, with some other people here are just here for a good time. There's people here from all over the country. I've met people from Idaho, Tennessee, Georgia, Salt Lake City. There's been all kinds of people here. So just giving you kind of a taste of what it was like to be here, and hopefully you'll enjoy it. So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. Hey guys, real quick, I just got back from Cleetus McFarland's Cleetus and Cars up in Bradenton. It was awesome. Check out the videos that I'm posting here. Go to Cleetus McFarland. Please go and subscribe. The guy is awesome. He put on a great show. If it comes to your town, please go to that. If you like the stuff we put up, please subscribe to me. Also, if you wanted to check out Derek from Vice Grip Garage, go to his channel. Please subscribe to them guys. So thanks for taking 30 seconds to look at this. Please go check out their channel, subscribe to their channels like I do, and then you'll know how to go to these events. In the meantime, we're going to show some fun stuff, and then we'll go back to our normal looking for junkyard cars, looking for barn finds, looking for interesting cars. Anyway, thanks for your time, and enjoy the video. Subscribe if you like it.
going to be a burnout hat ornament. He's determined to get out. Yeah.
April, should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.